on, Lane. Are you being a monkey? Let's see. Can you be a dog?
That's how Libby runs.
That is kind of how Libby runs.
Libby, Libby.
You're okay.
Daddy.
Yes, Lane.
This is walking.
It is. You want to give it to him?
What's that?
That's his passy. Can I have that? Thank you.
It's Nate's.
This is Nate's passy?
Yeah.
You could be right. I don't recognize this passy.
That's confusing to me.
Is he?
Yeah.
Very interesting. I guess we'll have to give it back to him then. Where's Lawton's passy?
Huh?
Where's Lawton's passy? Do we know?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know where it is? What are you doing, Mike?
I'm flying like a birdie.
Oh, you're flying like a bird. Oh.
Daddy.
Wait, did you just land? What are you,
I am.
what are you doing now? Oh, still being a bird? Which one do you like best? Being a dog, a monkey, or a bird? What are you being now, Wayne? What are you being now? Can I guess what you're being?